Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are deep diving into the Shark NeverChange Air Purifier. This is an air purifier that claims its filter will last up to 5 years without replacement. And but the question is, will it live up to the hype? So let's go jump right into it. What makes this Shark different? The Shark NeverChange stands out in a very crowded space of air purifiers in the market with its unique NeverChange filtration system. Unlike traditional air purifiers that require filter replacements every 6 to 12 months, the Shark claims that this unit can go up to 5 years without needing a new HEPA filter. And that can be able to block out very large particles like hair, dust, and pet dander. Let me just show you right here. This is the filter. Well, this is the outside of the filter. You can see right now there's some dust gathered out, which is great because you can be able to wash this out. Let me go ahead and put that back in there. But there's two of them. There's one on this side too. Let's go ahead and pop this out too. You can see a lot of dust accumulated right here. Let's go ahead and put that back in. And then you got this little handle area right here to pick it up. Push this down. So this NeverChange series, it covers about 650 square feet. So this is great for like apartment, a 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom apartment. But the main thing is this, that it also has a feature you can see right here, which I'll go into detail. You can increase it all the way up. And when you increase it all the way up, let's turn it off right there because of noise, but it can now then cover 1,400 square feet. So for folks that are maybe, hey, I like to clarify the room or living room, or maybe a house, this one's able to do it. And now it's going to take a little bit more time for the whole house. However, this is a great feature of this. The physical appearance, as you can see right here, is a very futuristic design that people have described it as looking at a futuristic plant pot or even a waste paper bin, funny enough. It's about 13 by 22 inches. It weighs about 10 to 12 pounds. It's not that heavy at all. And the unit features 2 LED displays, which I'll show you here. There's the front one. Let me go and turn it on right here. Put it down here. So you got the front one right here. And there's some things with this that it will show you. It'll show you the percentage of the air if it's clean. You can see some details right there, guys, if you like to pause the video. But you also have this one right here, and this one shows you, if you press the I button, like I did, it's gonna show you all the details. Okay. Clean air. It's like 95%, 94% clean air. This is pretty cool. I like it. And then you've got the light. If you want to dim it or turn it off, you're able to do that. You're able to put auto functionality. Just kind of turns off by itself over some period of time. You've got this button right here. You got the lock button. You've got a timer button as well if you just don't want to get up during the night and turn it off or whatnot. So it has a lot of great functionality in terms of that. And the 5-year filter claim, let's jump into that real quick. That's a pretty bold claim. But this is achieved through protective pre-filters that we saw earlier in the video that prevent larger particles from clogging the main filter. However, experts have stated that it's about 1 or 2 years that will be more realistic, and again, it depends on your coverages and usage and whatnot, but 1 or 2 years. Independent testing has shown really impressive results with this. You're looking at about PM 2.5 levels of 0.1 ppm, which is actually really good. So there's not much particles coming out of it. You got improved air quality by 92% in a 200 square foot room, and roughly 90% in a 320 square foot room. So You've got a lot of benefits with this filter, and it's done a really good job. The sound. Guys, it's pretty quiet. It's about 40 decibels, which is comparable to light rain. The medium speed, which we can be able to show you here. That's about 55 decibels, similar to a dishwasher. And then the highest speed is like traveling through a car. And again, if you put the higher speeds, those the main filter is gonna kind of go out a little bit quicker than usual. You can see the length of this charging cable is not that short, but not hugely long, and sometimes you may not want it that long either. You know, the odor neutralization feature on this, it does have a replaceable scent cartridge that emits a detergent-like or masculine aftershave-like fragrance. And that one you can buy separately. Maintenance, like I said, the only maintenance is very simple. You get the pre-filters, you clean that out every 2 months by vacuuming or rinsing with water. You've got the HEPA filter, which you can do light vacuuming every 2 months. And then you've got the scent cartridge as well that can be placed right there. And that one's replaced every 3 months. You will receive an alert when your maintenance is needed with a flashing red light and a check dust filter message on the display, so which is a pretty good thing. And you can be able to reset that as well through the front panel, top panel right there. So overall, this is a full review of it. There's some pros and cons, which I'll go over right here in a second before I finish this video. But the pro is you got a long-lasting HEPA filter. You know, up to 5 years. It saves money on replacements. You get a very quiet operation on lower speeds. Easy to use, very intuitive controls, good particle capture performance and testing, and real-time air quality display, as we can see right here. But there's some cons, especially with the other videos and other air filters I reviewed here on the channel. There's no app connectivity, so you have to do this manually. Is unreliable air quality sensors, often overly optimistic readings, like we see right here, 100%. I don't think it's really 100%, to be honest. Maybe 95 or something, but I think it's a little bit very optimistic in terms of that. It can be if you are cooking, there's limited odor removal when cooking and using this, and this is what I've noticed with this air filter. It can be very loud at very high fan speeds, as you noticed. The odor neutralizer, I didn't use it because I'm just trying to clarify the air and make it cleaner and not bog it down with scent. However, it can be overwhelming from some users. There's also no proper handles for moving the unit. I mean, yes, you have this one handle right here, but it's not, I mean, there's no two handles if you want to carry it with two hands. Overall price for this is about $200. I will leave a link down below in the description if you guys are interested in purchasing this. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below in the comment section. I'm happy to answer any questions you may have. And any comments if you are using Shark or any other air purifier. If you have another suggestion for air purifier out there, I'd love to review it here on the channel. However, it's a pretty good buy. This is a pretty good you know, money saver. Again, a 5-year filter, internal filter, it really helps out. So with that said, thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.